I need to change. A lot of sites to visit today. My long coat is impervious to X-rays, gamma rays, microwaves, radio waves, and football fan stadium cheering waves.
Water towers. To most, they're just reservoirs. To me, alien fuel depots. They're everywhere, conveniently placed, fueling more than just our faucets.
Sweets. Aliens love sweets. This milkshake, not just a decoration, it's a beacon, a sugary siren for intergalactic travelers. Think of it as a giant welcome sign for extraterrestrials. Ah, the coffee pot. You think it's a tourist attraction. Wrong. It's a listening device. Aliens can't resist caffeine, and they use this to monitor Earth's chatter while staying wired for their missions. This old shell station, an obsolete spacecraft. The pumps used to dispense alien-grade fuel, but now it's retired. Still, its design screams extraterrestrial.
The tallest buildings in Winston-Salem, and a perfect launch pad for extraterrestrial ships. Who really works on the top floors? My guess, not humans. Gazebos like this are portals.
Gateways to the alien homeworld. They're all around us, cleverly hidden. Stay vigilant, folks. When the pod people come creeping around, I'll be there. When ET dials home for reinforcements, I'll be there. Jack Lunar is always watching, always ready. I don't do this for fame. I don't do it for glory. I do it for humanity.
Water towers, milkshakes, gazebos, and coffee pots might seem harmless, but in this world, the ordinary can be extraordinary, and the extraordinary can be dangerous.
I'm not just a detective. I'm a sentinel of Earth, the last line of defense against those who think they can outsmart humanity. They may have technology, they may have strategy, but we have courage, wit, and resilience. So, to the intergalactic invaders and dimensional interlopers, heed this warning. Earth belongs to humanity, and I won't rest until every secret is unearthed and every scheme is dismantled, because no matter how vast the universe, no matter how strange the encounter, Jack Lunar will always be there.